So hello, today we are going to learn the shortcuts one can use when you are doing the programming to make it much easier. So we shall shift to our Visual Studio Code and let's learn those shortcuts. So the first shortcut we're going to learn is how to duplicate a line of code. So what you do is just select the line of code you want to duplicate. You press Shift, Alt, either the upper arrow or the lower arrow. You'll be able to duplicate any line you want to duplicate. Secondly, if you want to comment any line of code, you just have to select the line of code you want to comment, then you press Control and then use the forward slash. Which will be able to comment any number of lines you want to comment on the line. So you select or Control forward slash and you comment everything. So our next shortcut is if you want to search any file. Let's say you have a lot of files. You want to search one file from the Visual Studio from the folders. You just press Control plus P. Then on top there you can search any files you want. Like right now I have only one file. So that's the file. The third shortcut is when you want to open your terminal on the VS Code. You just press Control and backtick. Control backtick and your terminal will be activated. So open again. Control, then use the backtick. You will be able to activate your terminal. The other shortcut we're going to learn is the shortcut of maybe you want to move a line. Maybe you want to move a certain line of code either on top or down. So we shall create just a basic, maybe a form. Then here inside we shall create maybe an input, one input. Let's say use email. So we shall write email and then the ID will be email. Then on there down we shall create a label for email. Then here on the name we shall write email. Then let's say we want to move this label on the top side of on top of the input. You just select the line you want to move, then you press Alt, then use either the upper arrow or the lower arrow to move it down. Upper arrow to move it on top, lower arrow to move it on the downside. So I hope you learned something and see you on the next one.